Dead ball, sir. Yun, no?
20 points.
Galing sa ball, boss. Di ba yun, boss? Galing sa basket, walang serve eh. Wala naman serve time out eh. Galing tayo sa basket, tuloy yun eh. Walang serve. Biglaan eh. Order!
10 shot lang.
Sis.
Foul number 32. Substitution.
Second.
Second.
Oo.
Second foul number 32. Second. 32. Warning for penalty. One 23.
Iba niya yun.
Foul number 16. Warning for penalty.
Pala?
14.
Point to rebound 32. Foul number 16, penalty. Second foul, penalty.
Hey, hands up!
Isa-isa lang, piso-piso lang. Wala.
Rebound 15. Pairing shot clock. Equals number 6.
Yun, no?
Rebound 16. Rebound grade 1. Wow, 46. Penalty. Penalty.
Gawin. Isa pa lang.
Salamat kayo. Dalawa. Lamang eh. Anong lamang eh? Box out! Wala! Defense! Kaya!
Kaya pa yan? Huli. Kaya.
Help!
10 shot clock. Five shot clock. Shot clock 3 seconds. Shot clock 3. Shot clock 3. Rebound 32. Out of bounds.
Ano? Robin?
Yun nga, turnover nga yan.
Pero rebound niya yun. Rebound niya nga. Rebound niya pag tira ni Joel.
Na-turnover eh.
Pag nag-rebound na.
Turnover eh.
Shot clock 15 seconds.
Hindi niya naman
Banda?
Kick ball. Shot clock reset.
Sa tuhod tumama.
Foul number 50, penalty.
Isa pa lang.
First foul, number 50. First one.
Jud, sa iyan, shooter, Jud! Long ball, long ball!
Pumasok din.
Reverse, reverse! Red, Joanne! Hey! Wing, Joel!
Playing shot clock. 5 shot clock.
Hey, Andres! Diretso, Mark!
5 seconds.